Alright, so I'm microwaving the egg. And it's early in the morning, as in 10:40. So yeah, the reason why it's in a cup, because I'm too lazy to get the fucking bowls. They're like shoved into the cabinet. There's the microwave. I swear to fuck, if this kitchen burns to the ground, blame Gino, not me. This is Gino's suggestion, not me, and not at all me. And I just had it for like the entire night because my parents are home, and now they're not, so I can microwave this egg. Fuck, if this kitchen burns. Okay, we're going for 2 minutes. I was originally gonna go for 3, but but it's fine. If it starts burning inside there, again, blame Gino. Alright, it's been in there. Focus, Suka. Fuck. It's been in there for less than a minute and it's already popping. I think the egg exploded. Nothing has caught on fire. That's great to know. But the egg is exploding, which that's lovely. I feel like I'm gonna burn the kitchen down. There's still a minute left. Why is the camera not focusing? Okay. Yeah, smells like, okay, there's a minute left. Yeehaw. Okay, it's done. Alright, let's see the aftermath of putting an egg in the microwave for 2 minutes. It exploded, I can tell from that. Alright. Well, I made scrambled eggs. Alright, so I tasted a little bit of the egg because, yeah, I'm a psychopath. I probably got salmonella because of that. And it's not bad, to be honest. It tastes like a normal egg, just a tad bit harder. And if I die of salmonella, blame Gino again.